Hello everyone, welcome back to TidyStat YouTube channel. In the first video of the Pim Your Chart series, I will show you how to create a stacked bar chart using Microsoft Excel with the Economist tab. Okay, in this case, I have a data about energy balance in large countries. I have China and USA data that consists of 5 items. Okay, I obtained the data from the workdata.info. If you want to work with same exercise, please download the file in the description. Okay, first let's insert the stacked bar chart at the our worksheet. Okay, let's select the cell like this, go to insert, and then go to bar chart option here, and then at a 2D bar, select 100% stacked bar. Okay, after that, let's remove the unwanted items. I'll remove the x-axis label here like this, click it and press delete, and after that the grid lines, we don't need it anymore, just delete it. Okay, you can see that at the x-axis, Microsoft Excel automatically switch the first row of our item like this. The production capacity is the first row of the table to the bottom of the graph. Okay, so we need to reverse this order. To do this, click the x-axis label like this, right click, and then format axis. Okay, you can see at the axis options, at the axis position, click the categories in reverse order. So the order of the graphs is based on the table. You see the production capacity is the first graph of the chart. Okay, just click the axis items and then delete it because we don't need anymore. Then let's move the legend of the chart to the top right of the chart area like this. Click and drag it into this position. Okay, after that, let's change the color of our graph. You see that the economists tend to use the red as their main color, so let's change the color of, let's see, China into the red. Click the graph, and then at the fill options here, at the color, let's change it into the red. Okay, and for the next graph, here, USA, let's change it into the light gray. After that, let's reduce the gap width, so make the graph bigger. Click one of the graph, go to the series option here like this, and then let's reduce the graph width into 80%. Okay, after that, let's change the chart title based on our table. You see, to change the chart title, you don't have to write it manually. You just need to click the chart title here, press Ctrl E, and then at the function editor here, at the formula bar, click it and then type equal. After that, click the cell reference like this. Okay, see, you have the chart title based on a cell reference. And let me change the color into the black, and then press Ctrl B to make it bold. Okay, now just make it align with the graph. After that, we need to give the name for each bar like this, like the first bar is the production capacity. To do this, pay attention to this step because this is the important one. You need to activate the chart area by click it, and then go to insert, and then go to text, and then select text box like this, and then draw the text box inside the chart area. Okay, like this, and then at the formula editor, type equal, and then click the production capacity. See, you don't have to write the items or the label manually. And then let's adjust it like this, and then let's reduce the size into 9. Okay, and then let's make it a little bit tidy. And then to copy and paste the text box, you just need to click the text box here, and then press Ctrl, and then drag it to the area that you want like this. Okay, repeat this process for the whole graph. Okay, great, you are doing great. Okay, let me add another one to the bottom as the source box. Okay, now let's change the label of each graph like this. Let me change it into the row 5. It is for the row 6, for the row 7, and then for the row 8. After that, let's adjust the size of the text box. Don't forget to change the font size. Let's just make it 9. Okay. Okay, great. Now let's adjust the position. Okay, and great, you are halfway to finish this step. And at the source box, don't forget to the source of the data, because the economist always put the source at the bottom of the chart. Okay, at the at the formula editor, equal, and then type the cell reference like this. Okay, let's adjust it, and then change the color to the white or to the light gray. Let's Ctrl V. Okay, now for the last touch, let's remove the border of the chart. Click the chart area, and at the border here, at the format chart area tab, click no line. Just close it. Next, let's change the color of the source box into darker like this. Okay, and reduce the font to 9, and it becomes better. Next, let's add the data label for each graph. Okay, click the red graph here, and then at the plus sign at the right top here, select the data label here, and click the inside base. Okay, like this, and then change the color to white, and then press Ctrl B to make it bold. Okay, now for the USA graph, also at the chart element here, select the data label and then click inside add. So the label shows at the right side of the graph. Click it and press Ctrl B to make it bold. Okay, now for the final touch, let's add a simple box and a line at the right top of the chart. And then click the chart area, then click insert, and then select shapes, then click the line here. And then let's draw the box here at the right top of the chart like this. Okay, after that, change the color into red, and then the weight into 6 point. Okay, after that, let's add another line. Insert shapes line below this existing line. Okay, make sure you draw it straight, and then change the color into red. Great! Congratulations, you have successfully created a stacked bar chart with economy style using Microsoft Excel. And also, I will show you how if you draw a text box without activating the chart area. Okay, so in this case, we inactivate the chart area, just insert the text box automatically. Go to insert text and then select text box, and then select the drawing area here. Let's just draw it here. This is only the example. Let's type production capacity. Okay, and then reduce the size into 9. And what will happen to your chart if you move the chart, the whole chart like this? The text box that you made without activating the chart area is not moved. Okay, it's not like a part of the chart itself. But if you activate the chart area and insert the text box becomes the part of the chart automatically. That's why you need to activate the chart. Okay, I think that's all that I can show to you about making a stacked bar chart using Microsoft Excel with economy style. I hope this video will be useful. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in another video.